This is a book on priority, a new skill that includes 3 elements: human judgment, big data, and AI system. It starts from the philosophical concept of Aristotle of skills that combines attitude, knowledge, and experience. Knowledge, the data, experience is AI, and attitude is the human judgment. By combining these 3 elements, this book puts together all the 150 interviews that I made in the last 4 years with data scientists from 50 different countries. It's a roadmap that can serve from the curious beginner up to the seasoned professional to integrate AI in their business to make it an augmenting intelligence. With clear explanation, it offers lots of examples that can help you to integrate AI from manufacturing to industry, from education to healthcare. I hope you will find very useful and especially easy to read, because this book will give an edge to integrate AI and make it an augmenting intelligence for your business. I hope you will enjoy.